How to solve Shadow Fight 2 app network connection problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the settings of your device and then scroll down and you can see the option of apps. Tap on apps, then tap on manage apps. Now search for the application of Shadow Fight 2, tap on that and you can see the option of clear all data at the bottom of the screen. Just tap on that and select on delete all data, tap on OK. After that we're going to go back to the Play Store application and then search for Shadow Fight 2. Now make sure that it is updated to its latest version to avoid any sort of glitches, and having latest version also helps in better performance and resolving such issues. Now also make sure that you have a stable internet connection over here. You can also have a better cellular data if not a good connection with your Wi-Fi. After that, tap on your power button and then tap on reboot and make sure that you reboot your device, because rebooting the device can also help in solving your issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.